play one game.
Oh.
Because he said he was going to play one.
Oh, I thought he told him he could play the whole game.
Nah.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah. Good? Where are we going?
That's where they're all kind of stuck.
Hey, full auto? Yeah. Hey, move up!
That's up there. I got one
Hit! Yo! Hey! Good freaking job, man! Yeah! That was awesome.
My battery was there too, bro. Oh! You just got hit, man?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
No.
What's doing at you?
I don't know.
What the hell? Okay, it's time to go get some revenge, man.
Yeah.
We don't let our guys get shot like that, bro. Let me go get that battery from my man over there.
All right.
I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
Perfect. Let's go get busy, guys.
Yeah, let's do this.
I've only got one. I've got one respawn left. That's it. One? Yeah.
I got one left.
I do too. All right, let's go. Okay, start on. All right. You're fine with you.
You're done now?
Oh yeah. All my gas is out.
Oh! Hey, that was a great time with you today, man.
Yeah, thanks,
Look
man.
forward to playing with you again, buddy. Let's go, guys.
Yeah, let's do this.
You must be right here. Where are they?
Going around the left. Left.
Let's go.
Damn it. Yeah.
I only had one respawn, so this is my second.
That's me too.
Let's go. Where's my... Come on.
I'll follow you.
They're over here. They're right here with the cat. They're right here with the drum.
Hey, you shooting a flag again?
No.
Nah.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Let's go get it. Come on. Let me get it. I just shot you!
Cheater. Tell me when you want to move, I'll cover you. Sit.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
You got one more?
Let's go, man. It's the end of the day, man.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I got one more. What am I doing?
That's right. Let's go.
I got you too.
He's right there. He's right over here. Let me go around and get him. He has our guy tent down over there.
Whoa, 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 down, down.
No, that probably wasn't.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah.
That's because you look so tactical, bro.
Yeah.
You got shot, but you look good, man. You look legit. But we're swapping sides again, though, right, for the flag?
I think so, yeah.
He said we're doing a few games. So I'm not going to try that. 2 respawns on
Yeah.
that. Good job, Vans. Get the flag. You play here all the time, man?
This is my second time coming.
Oh, it is? Where do you normally play, Jericho?
Jericho. Oh, I haven't gone to Jericho in a while, but before this I was playing at Viper.
Oh, that's where we play all the time. We're out there probably every single weekend almost.
Yeah.
We're regulars there, man. Oh! That was close. See that grenade? Right in the middle of the mouth. Darn. That was a great throw. Did you see that? That was serious, man. Right dead in the center of all of them. Oh my God. That sucks. Sorry, guys. I can't go help you. I feel bad. I know, right? I feel bad. Our guys are getting lit up now. Did you get killed by the grenade? Did you get shot or by the grenade?
I got shot.
You okay, man? Are you bleeding?
I'm good. No.
You're good?
Right here. Am I bleeding? No?
Let me see. No, you're good, bro.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you're good. Come on, boy, Pat, moving up here. Where's long gun? See him straight through here?
Oh, yeah.
No, that's the other. Yeah, he has his grenade launcher.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, I think he has a gun.
Did you bring 2 guns?
Me?
Did he bring 2 guns?
He did, yeah. He brought that long rifle.
Yeah.
He brought that combat machine gun with a grenade launcher. That's him fighting right there. Man, did you see me kill all those guys? That was so funny, man.
That was awesome. I'm like, I ran after you,
Yeah.
and I pulled up, like behind the wall,
Yeah.
and I literally see like 10 guys.
Yeah, I banged them all.
Did you really?
Yeah, seriously. Yeah, my battery's up. I had a dead battery, man. So I wasn't going to stop. My gun stopped firing. I just kept moving, man. Came around the corner, and they're all just standing there, and all the guys sitting by it. And I just said, bang, 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 you're all dead. And they were all just like, you're our friend. And he's like, all of you got to walk out the mountain. And the ref was standing right here and made them all leave, man. You, man. Yeah, got them all. What's that?
I literally kept shooting people and there's like...
Yeah, I had to start doing the same thing.
I'd be like, yeah, dude, both sides.
On both sides? So at least it matches, right?
Yeah, right.
At least you have matching wounds, right?
Oh, yeah. No, the guy went like this, literally ran into his building, and I just unloaded on him, and he saw the VVO.
In his face.
And then he went back down, and I was like, get out. So I just waited there, and I was just like sitting there like this, and then he popped up, and was like, boom, boom, boom.
That's game. I'm just nailing guys from behind the thing. I'm like, you're dead, man. They get hit, and they jump right back behind something.
I don't even think I have enough ammo.
I got ammo, man. Yeah, I got a speed loader for you.
I only got 2 more mags.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Right there. Here, just flip it over right there. Just use whatever you need. I don't need any.
Hey.
So bad. I was like, ow! And now I feel bad because you guys are my buddies. You're like, I'm like, oh man, sorry, it's you guys. Good job, guys. Yeah, good job, man. Great job, man. Just a bit ready.
Hey, good job, guys.
Yeah, same.
Good job. Good job.
Hey, Ben! No, Ben!
First one, like, in the past, sticking out like... Did anybody lose? Let's try to go get it, but they're going to make us go all the way back to the fence. We'll protect you. Right.
He's fast, bro. Last time he got up there quick.
Well, see, I was going to say, we might not be able to keep up with him. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
We'll be behind you, though.
All we gotta do is suppress.
Yeah, we'll be behind you laying down suppressive fire. So you can best believe that.
I don't get up there quick with himself.
All the way back. Touch the fence.
They're making him go through the logs.
Yeah.
We got a flag runner, guys. Everybody, we have a flag runner.
Where is it? Right here. Right here.
Little young guy, where's he at? Where'd he go?
Go, 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 go! Did we do it? All right! Yeah! Already nice.